So how do we define a person with a disability? A disability is generally defined as a condition which may restrict a person's mental, sensory, or mobility functions when undertaking or performing a task. Positive and accepting attitudes are vital for community inclusion. An attitude refers to a set of emotions, beliefs, and behaviours towards a particular object, person, thing, or event. In this case, we look at the attitudes towards people with a disability. A lot contributes to how our attitudes are formed. For example, the tri-component model of attitudes, models of disability, as well as societal views. Attitudes can be learnt in three ways. Firstly, we have the affective component. This is the emotional response an individual has towards a group and refers to how something makes us feel and the effect it has on us emotionally. Negative experiences and portrayals can result in prejudiced feelings towards the attitude object. Next, we have the behavioural component. This is the likelihood or tendency that an individual will undertake a specific action or behave in a particular way when exposed to the object or person. This often provokes discriminative behaviours. Lastly is the cognitive component. This is known as the thought component of an attitude. It refers to the knowledge and perceptions an individual acquires due to direct experiences with the person, place, or object. This component can be challenged and changed according to the person's experiences. There are three main models of disability. These include the medical model, the charity model, and the social model. The medical model, unlike the social model, says that people are disabled by their impairments or differences. Under the medical model, these impairments or differences should be fixed or changed by medical and other treatments. The medical model also looks at what is wrong with the person and not what the person needs. The charity model of disability depicts disabled people as victims of circumstance who are deserving of pity. This, along with the medical model, are the models most used by non-disabled people to define and explain disability. It suggests that disability is not only something that should be cured, but something that is tragic. The social model of disability says that disability is caused by the way society is organised. It looks at ways of removing barriers. Disabled people developed the social model of disability because the traditional medical model did not explain their personal experience of disability or help to develop more inclusive ways of living. The main influences on attitudes include family, friends, media, culture, and past experiences.